he's going to hit it right on the numbers.
Oh, and over the top.
In the fight and on patrol, we rely on the critical bridge of
Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. It's another day, another
adventure.
Dollar. So for today's video, we're here at the Eielson Air Force Base Air Show. It's called the Arctic Lighting Air Show, and they do this every 2 years. And we're here inside the Thunderdome. And so yeah, let's go walk around and watch the air show. I think this is the C-130. This is the C-5.
and they'll get you to the medical tent.
AC-135 is what we use for refueling, air refueling. We have 3 seats, so feel free to hop in. Oh, nice. We're in the middle. For sure. So normally we would open up the boom sliding door, and so that yellow wall would disappear. We use a rotator control stick down there, and the extension and retraction stick in order to, we'll use those simultaneously to fly the boom. Once they're in contact, we'll then begin to offload gas. So really we're just extending the range of any receiver we have and making sure that they have the gas to go where they need to go. But yeah, that's about it. We'll use those gauges to monitor their position in the envelope. We want to just make sure they're in a safe position. Yeah, that's about it. Cool. Very nice. Awesome. Thank you, LT. What?
And spiraling down at speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This enables the jumpers to set up a traffic pattern like you might see aircraft at a busy airport.
Each jumper leaves in the sky are created by 2 M18 red smoke canisters, which emit a continuous stream of smoke for up to 90 seconds. Close eye on the jumpers with their small canisters. Rotate 270 degrees and enter a steep diving turn, diving straight toward the ground at speeds of over 100 miles per hour. Make some noise, so our final jumpers bring it into the target area. Your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present the Black Demonstration Team for the 2026 Air Show season. All members of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights.
Roger that, Kyle. You look great. Pulling up right at show center, the world famous Kyle Fowler here from Central Alberta, Canada.
Oh, and over the top. Pull the power back. Do a quarter roll. And let's pull out of this.
Looks great, Kyle.
It is a beautiful day for an air show. How's everybody in Eielson doing today?
Oh, you got a big cheer from the crowd down here. They're doing great, they say. They're excited to see some flying.
Good stuff. We're coming back around. We're going to talk our way through some maneuvers. In the air show world, we've got a couple maneuvers. This one here is what we call a barrel roll. So we pitch up, we're going to roll the aircraft, but we're going to barrel it around, almost as if we're rolling around a barrel. Coming around, G'ing up the airplane. We're pulling about 4 G's there.
Roger, 4 Gs.
We'll do another big hammerhead. A tail on an aircraft to do a proper hammerhead. But we stuff the rudder, and when it's ready to go, we just pull the power back, and it'll still pivot around like a normal airplane should.
Roger that, Kyle. Say that again. No tail on that airplane?
Now this thing's built kind of backwards. You know what pilots need to know how to count sometimes. We're going to do a 4-point roll. Pitching up. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And a 4-point roll.
Looking good.
Slow speed and then near vertical flying.
defense of our great nation. We have the watch.
Okay, that's it, guys. We had to come back to day 2 of it being open to public because Rambo didn't get to fly yesterday. That's the F-35 Lightning demo team, and we got to see it today, and it was pretty awesome. It got tight turns, very fast speeds, and also slow speed. F-35 is an amazing fighter jet. Well, that's it for today's video. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys out there.